All right, let's get this show started!
Jon Jones' new legal issues no surprise, but quitting will affect legacy. It didn't take long for Jon Jones' longtime rival Daniel Cormier to weigh in on his retirement and latest legal troubles. Cormier and Jones famously fought twice for the light heavyweight title. Jones won both fights, but the second was overturned due to one of his positive steroid test failures. Although things have calmed between the two in the years since Cormier retired, there likely always will be tension between the two. After Jones' retirement was announced Saturday by UFC CEO Dana White, Cormier posted a video to his YouTube channel to discuss the news. Jones retired and relinquished the UFC heavyweight title instead of taking a title unification bout with interim champ Tom Aspinall. Moments after that news was announced, Jones' home paper, the Albuquerque Journal, reported of his latest run-in with the law involving allegations of leaving the scene of an accident, which would not be the first time, involving a half-naked intoxicated woman whose car he allegedly was driving. But before Cormier gave his thoughts on Jones' outside the cage issues, he talked about his decision to walk away without fighting Aspinall. "I said, if Jon Jones does not fight Tom Aspinall, he quit," Cormier said on his YouTube channel. He quit. He did not want to fight Tom Aspinall. It's so surprising. Is he scared? No. But by not fighting Aspinall, he opens the conversation. He lets you, every one of you, question why he doesn't fight him. To walk away right now opens the door for people to have the conversation about, does this affect the legacy? Jones is considered by many to be the greatest pound-for-pound fighter of all time and holds a litany of UFC records. After his final light heavyweight title defense in February 2020 against Dominic Reyes, a fight a majority of pundits tracked by MMA Decisions thought he lost, he only has fought twice: a vacant heavyweight title win over Cyril Gane and a defense over Stipe Miocic, who came back from a layoff of nearly 4 years and re-retired after the fight. Cormier thinks if Aspinall, as new undisputed heavyweight champion, happens to lose, that Jones would see an opening to come back out of retirement. That, he said, would only add to the theory that Jones is ducking a fight with Aspinall because of what a loss could do to his legacy. "I honestly feel like if Tom loses, Jones would come back, and that's crazy to me, because that's only going to make it worse," Cormier said. When it comes to the legal issues, though, Cormier said he doesn't take pleasure in watching Jones get into trouble, even though he's predicted it over and over. "The saddest thing about this to me is that it's not surprising," Cormier said. "I've seen him do things over the course of his career that have been very dangerous, and it's just not smart. I hope that as he goes into the next phase of his career, if it's over forever, that he fills the void with something positive." But ultimately, what Jones left the MMA world, Cormier thinks, is a picture of a quitter. "I will go to my grave believing he quit instead of fighting Aspinall," Cormier said. "Jon Jones has got to get this shit together, man. They gave him the money. They agreed to everything, and he still just would not do it.